The rise of artificial intelligence is one of the most hotly debated topics of our time. Some hail it as the next giant leap for mankind. Others fear will spell our doom. So the question is, will AI save us or destroy us? Well, it can do both. Consider this. AI is already helping to cure diseases, optimize industries, help farmers increase their yields, cars to drive more safely, and much, much more. In short, AI has the potential to make our lives easier and better in countless ways. At the same time, though, AI is replacing millions of jobs, working 24/7 without a single complaint and never needing a coffee break. And machines are learning faster than humans. It's not a question of if they will surpass us, but when. And once that happens, there's no telling what will happen next, because once AI ends autonomy, humans could lose control. That might sound like science fiction, but leading figures in the world of tech, including Elon Musk, have warned that AI could pose an existential risk to humanity. We're entering uncharted waters here. No one really knows what the future will hold. But rather than thinking about how AI will save or destroy us, it's probably more accurate to say that AI is both a life-saving drug and a deadly poison, a double-edged sword with the potential for good or evil. It all depends on how we use it. And while AI undoubtedly be a powerful force for good, it can also be incredibly destructive. Take, for example, the recent incident where a self-driving car made a serious mistake, mistaking a pedestrian for a mannequin and driving right into her. Fortunately, the car was in testing mode, and there was a human operator who was able to intervene in time to save the woman's life. But imagine if this had been a fully autonomous vehicle on the road. The consequences could have been catastrophic. Even more concerning is the potential for bias in AI to create real-world harm. Earlier this year, a study found that an algorithm used by the criminal justice system was up to 20% more likely to incorrectly flag black defendants as high risk, potentially leading to unfair sentencing. And these are just two examples. There are many more where a danger gone with potentially disastrous consequences. This should serve as a wake-up call to us all. While AI has the potential to do great good, it also poses a serious threat to humanity. It's a tool that must be wielded with caution. For example, as AI becomes more integrated into our society, it's important that we take steps to protect against job displacement. That means investing in education and training so that people are prepared for the jobs of the future. We need to ensure that AI does not exacerbate existing inequalities, but rather helps to create a more just and equitable society. In addition, we need to be aware of the potential for bias in AI systems and work hard to mitigate it. That means not only making sure that the data used to train AI are representative, but also developing techniques to identify and correct for bias in algorithms. These are just some of the challenges that we need to address as we move forward, but they're not insurmountable. With careful planning and execution, we can harness the power of AI mitigating its risks. It's a tall order, but it is one that we have to get right if we want to ensure a positive future for humanity. So the question remains, will AI save us or destroy us? Ultimately, it's up to us. Are we creating a savior or our own replacement? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on AI and other emerging technologies. Thanks for watching.